Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to Thursdays on my channel. We are currently in my car, and this week's video is called Things I Do in the Car When I'm by myself. It's kind of funny because a lot of the times you're driving with your friends and, you know, do you ever think, like, what do they do when I'm not around? So, you're gonna find out what I basically do when I'm in my car alone, and it's kind of embarrassing, so... Where am I going? Where am I going? You know what sounds good right now? Some McDonald's. Hello, officer. How are you? You know what sounds good right now? Wendy's. Speeding. 85? Oh, there's Chipotle! They got Chipotle!
I'm a nightmare dressed like a daydream.
No, I don't think that was me. It says 0 right now, actually. I don't think I was speeding. Could have been someone else. Look at all these people going mad fast. You might want to stop one of them. One. Okay, yeah. Is this the exit or is it the next one? It's this one, right? Okay. Hi, where's exit 16? Yes, I do have a phone. Yes, it does have GPS. Hi, question, do you know if there's a Target nearby? What do you know? Pop that pussy while I pop this bed. This is the exit. This is no. This isn't the exit. I got it. What is that? I'll turn on my lights. What is that? Look like the same house in the picture. Am I at the right address? And there you guys go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know what you guys do when you guys drive alone. And make sure you subscribe because I'm going to make new videos every single Thursday. And I'll see you guys next Thursday.